Introducing QR code or UPI payment vending machine. Easy setup and no maintenance. Accepts all UPI payment methods like Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, etc. No monthly or annual charges. No commission is charged for payments from your customers. Payments are directly deposited to your account when a customer makes payment. The machine works on time or flow mode as per the user's requirement. The UPI scanner system can also be connected to your existing coin box or vending machine. UPI payment integrated coin box that works on both time and flow mode is also available. For sales or more information, please contact on 7846889649 or 9900253935.